Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. Jung Hilario at Miley Visti, anak na si Sarina, mapakali habang takip ang kanyang mga mata, narinig lang ang gift galing sa kanyang ninong Ryan Bang. Ito ang kanyang reaksyon nang malamang Frozen characters si Anna at Elsa dolls. Tuwang-tuwa at nagpasalamat sa Korean kanyang ninong Ryan Bang. Jung Hilario, so sweet ng kanyang little princess, minasahe siya pati ang kanyang ulo, pampaalis pagod. Salamat mga kaibigan sa panonood sa Munting Kwento. Huwag kalimutang i-subscribe ang aking channel. Kung di pa kayo nakakapag-subscribe sa Artista TV, i-subscribe na ito upang lagi kang updated sa mga paborito niyong mga celebrity.
Hi friends, we are surprise and the gift turning Ryan Bang.
Are you ready?
Yes, Daddy.
Okay, close your eyes. Wait for that. Let's get in the game. Still closing your eyes. Are you still closing your eyes? No, close your eyes first.
Okay.
Let's close your eyes. I can see you looking. No, I can see you look. No, cheat. Don't close. No. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
I'm so happy.
You're so happy. What's
Frozen.
Wow!
I have it.
Who is that?
Anna and Elsa.
Wow! What are you doing? Wow, ang bilis naman mag-finish, ha? Naku, nasa na yung massage si Daddy? Ang bilis naman. I want more. Okay, where's the oil? You found it? Okay, massage, please. Okay, thank you so much. Kung sakit ng Daddy ng Daddy. Finish na? Ay, finish na. How about sa head? The head. Where's the Daddy's massage sa head? Are you shampooing Daddy? Are you massaging or shampooing Daddy? How about the massage on my arm? Galing. Ang galing naman ng massage niya. How about sa kilikili? Kikiliti mo si Daddy. Kikiliti mo si Daddy. Thank you. Thank you for that massage. Wonderful massage. I love you. Thank you so much. What do you want me to pay? What do you want?
I want to play.